Hey guys, Spooky Squid here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this look and we are going to try out some new products that I just got from Prickly Pear Cosmetics. So I'm pretty excited to use them. And yeah, stick around. Alright, so I do have some new products I want to try and talk to you guys about. So where's the other one? I got two lipsticks here from Prickly Pear Cosmetics, and this is like a gel liner in white. So I'm gonna try one of these lipsticks along with the gel liner, and I just kind of want to do like a black and white kind of look, so I'm gonna grab my Berlin Underground palette and just kind of do something fun. Let's prime my face. So I had a good read today about wearing makeup and wearing masks, and how a lot of people have been suffering from like what they call acne, and that's just basically since you're breathing into the mask, there's a lot of humidity and the fabric is rubbing against your skin and can cause like tiny little scratches, and then the bacteria goes in and ta-da! You get pimples. So a good way of combating that, according to a lot of dermatologists, is just to wear like a water-based moisturizer where your mask would sit. So yeah, apparently that really helps. I've definitely been suffering from it. It's really annoying. Oh, my hair looks terrible. I am literally a hot mess today. Like, hot. And these lights aren't helping. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I am going to grab some of the black right here and something. Yeah, something. This black is so scary. Like I barely touched it. I think I'm gonna grab Techno right here, which is like a dark, like silver-ish shade. All right, so I think I'm just gonna carve out underneath and see where that goes. I don't know. I found it. It was under the mirror. Kind of think I have an idea where I'm going with this. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna grab my white liner here and I'm just gonna line underneath. So we've been watching a lot of TV still, because that's what we do. So we're done. We're done the Twilight Zone, like the new one. So good. The last episode was weird, but not like Twilight Zone weird, like just weird. Great season, highly recommend. And now we're watching Altered States.
No, Altered Carbon.
Oh my god, why do I always say Altered States? Altered Carbon. What else are we watching? Oh, Norseman, which is hilarious and not very, like, I don't see a lot of people watching it. Yeah, I told my friend about it and she'd never heard of it. I'm sure there are people watching this like, how is she doing liner and talking at the same time? Not very well. All right, next step. I am going to grab the wall there and just kind of put it all over my lid. All right, I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put, oh, that black is scary. Gonna use a little bit of the black, tiny, like a smidge. Just shove it here. Can't believe that worked. And I will grab this shade here. Sorry, I don't speak German and I don't want to butcher it, so I'm not going to attempt to say the name. And I'm just going to put it in my inner corner right there. And I'll grab this shade again, the wall, and just run it under my eye like so. Okay, not bad for a no shimmer look. I'm gonna go put some lashes on and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Lashes weren't working, so I just put mascara on. Sue me, sorry. I couldn't do it. But I have blush and I have highlighter, so I'm gonna do that now. All right, for highlighter, I'm gonna grab my Anastasia highlighter in Forever Lit right here. And I always forget that they don't have mirrors. I'm so used to everything having mirrors. And all right, now to try out these lipsticks. I have two colors here. One is Gemini, this one, and the other one is Shallow Orchid. And I think I'm gonna go for this one because since I have an almost like black and white look, this is the deepest and will probably match the best. Should have put a little bit of purple up there, but you know what? I'm gonna add some purple just under the eye to make it more cohesive. So I'm gonna go in the purple here and just put it, run it underneath my eye a little bit. Yeah, I think this makes it better. And we're done. So far, lipstick's a little bit sticky, but it's pretty comfy and I like the color. It'll probably dry down later on too. I just put it on. And where are you? Over here. This is great. I've wanted like a white liner for a really long time. I'm gonna test it out on my bottom lid and see how that works. I can't find anything. I just dropped a chunk in my eye, but it doesn't hurt, so that's good, right? I did have to reapply a little bit on my crease up there, but I think that's just because there was too much primer up there and I couldn't apply it properly. So it applies really nicely in the waterline and it doesn't disappear right away. We'll see if I'll see later on tonight to see if it's still there. I'll let you know down in the comment. But yeah, this is great. I want all the colors now. Funny story about my order is, I don't know what happened, but it got held at the post office for a super long time and I couldn't get it. And like months, and they had to reship it back to the company and then they had to reship it back here. And they ended up like giving me a full refund. They didn't have to do that, but they did. I think they just felt bad about it. And yeah, and I finally got it like just the other day. So, and I wasn't even expected it yet. Honestly, I had kind of forgotten about the order, so it was a nice surprise. But yeah, they kept me in contact the entire time and they said they had reshipped it and then they refunded me when it hadn't arrived and now it's here. So, and they even commented on my Instagram like, oh, I was super happy it got to you. So, I don't know. Shit happens and it's weird times right now, and I'm pretty sure the post office is a little overwhelmed right now, so I'm not going to put the blame on anyone, but I just thought it was kind of funny. But they were really nice about it. So, yeah, that's the end of my video. You guys stay safe, stay hydrated out there. It's really hot. I'm melting. And I'll see you next time.